How to join league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to join league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Joining league on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the game, launch the ESPN Fantasy Sports app on your mobile device. Log into your account. Ensure you are logged into your ESPN account. Tap on Join a League. On the main screen, you will see an option to join a league. Tap on it. Enter league information. Join a private league. If you have an invitation link or a league name and password, enter that information to join a private league. Join a public league. If you want to join a public league, browse available leagues by selecting your preferred sports and setting. Then join a league that matches your preference. Confirm your entry. Once you have entered the necessary information, confirm that you want to join the league. And there you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.